So why were you created? What is the purpose of your creation? Why do you exist? And the answer, dear ones, is in the question. The answer is in the question. To know that you were created. You were created. You didn't come here of your own accord. You who sit today in a place of relative success, basking in the glory of your achievements. You are, say, 35 years old. Where were you 36 years ago? You're 35 now. Where were you 36 years ago? Which form did you sign to come here? Which plane did you ride to come here? You came here of no accord of your own. Someone sent you here. Someone planted you here. Someone created you. And nor do you depart of your own accord. Like you try very hard not to depart. You've created hospitals and furbished it with technology, and it's created in, put in the individuals who have spent their whole dear life trying to keep you here a bit longer. Yet when the time is up and the summoner summons you, young or old, you go through the hospital that was designed to keep you, you go. So you came of no accord of your own. You leave no accord of your own. Don't you realize that someone sent you and someone summons you? And whether you are young or old, rich or poor, male or female, forget about that. Kings and monarchs get summoned and kings and monarchs leave. Like if it was based on power and authority, what power is dragging him out of this world? You have to concede that there is a sovereign who summons sovereigns. There is a king, a creator that created, a creator that sent, a creator that summons.